Esse aqui é o avião do futuro.
Right over here. DA is for Desert Aircraft. 3W is a German aircraft company. If I am correct. If I'm not, I'm going to hear about it.
Well, you know what? It's not as very good as with the throwaway cameras. I know.
Yeah, your camera got showing.
Huh?
Your camera is showing us a dot.
Então, chiclete.
Are some of the greatest achievements we have made in the last 50 years.
O cara tá orando?
What you've seen now, or heard from General Joe Mingle 50 years ago, the first flight of the X-15 took place. So we're celebrating with Joe the 50th anniversary.
É um documentário que eu vi antigo. Que eu vi na...
Then you're in for a real treat because the white
Agora, né?
Yeah, watch your head.
How do you feel, Julia?
Awesome.
Awesome? Look at that, huh?
Picture.
Yeah, who knows, one day you can fly one of these.
The flight crew are housed together in the right-hand fuselage. The extraordinary efficient wing is based on the airflow used in Scale Composites' Glow Flyer aircraft, which was flown by adventurer Steve Fawcett on the first solo
sit?
Huh?
Where does the guy sit?
White Knight 2 is
There's two pilots, Isabella.
delivery of Virgin Galactic and is officially named Virgin Mothership E, or VMS.
They sit on those ends? The stick things?
Yeah.
We're now cleaning up the wing to demonstrate a tight accelerating turn. Unlike cylinder-sized airliners that require hydraulic actuators to move the control surfaces, the White Knight 2 designed using a simpler mechanical flight control system that would not be possible if not for their patented carbon fiber-based control. We're going to let you see him real close because he's going to taxi right in front of the crowd here once he gets off Bravo. All four landing gear extended out, and just about now there's touchdown.
Oh yeah.
I'll tell you something, ladies and gentlemen. I've been doing air shows for over 25 years, as has Ralph Royce up here with me. You're seeing the best of the best, things that are not seen at air shows. And you're going to end up seeing the flight test flyby later on this afternoon of 10 airplanes that has never before been seen at an air show. And you're one of the very, very fortunate people that are going to be able to see it. But we've got a lot of things here that they do specially at Edwards Air Force Base. He's in. Mark Forger Stuckey with SCAO Veterans co-pilot Peter I got to say this right now, Kalogiannis, and flight test engineer Matt Steinmetz. Get your cameras ready because you're going to get a very up close and personal view of the White Knight 2. While we're waiting on White Knight 2, I want to remind you folks that Edwards Air Force Base was nice and clean when we got here. When you finish your drink or whatever you might have to eat, let's make sure that we put all of our trash in the proper receptacles. We don't want to have all of the airmen, men and women out here working throughout the night to clean up after. So let's make sure that we put our trash in the proper receptacles. Remember, the crew is housed in the right-hand boom of White Knight 2. That's the one furthest away from you. You're seeing a very, very rare appearance by the White Knight.
Alvin, o cara fez negócio da internet, ó.
É, tá igual o que eu fiz.
Olha o tamanho da roda. Brincadeira, hein?
Olha o tanto de arrebite que esse trem tem, né? Precisa de abrir isso aqui.
Vem, Yuri.
Right about at the 1:30 now here. This is